pitcher is empty. Let's make some more. Oh, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zhafeera Azzahwa, but you can call me Khansa. I am a 5th grader from ABC Elementary School. And today, I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing homemade lemonade. It's a perfect drink for a hot day, and it's very easy to make. Let's begin. First, you need to prepare all the ingredients and tools. Here's what you'll need. Lemons, a cup of syrup, ice cubes, a bottle of water, a bottle of soda, a pitcher, a juicer, a spoon for stirring, a knife, and glasses for serving. Make sure everything is ready before you start. Now, take your lemon and roll them on the table for a few seconds. Rolling the lemon helps release more juice. After that, cut the lemon with a knife. Be careful while cutting. Use the juicer to squeeze the lemon half and extract as much juice as possible. You should have about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Now that your lemon juice and syrup is ready, it's time to mix them together. Pour the lemon juice into the pitcher, followed by the syrup. Stir the mixture well to make sure everything is evenly combined. After that, add 1 bottle of soda. And some water to the pitcher. This will dilute the lemonade to the right taste. If you prefer stronger lemonade, you can add less water. Stir the lemonade well to combine all the flavors. After that, add some ice cubes to make the lemonade cool and refreshing. Oh, and before serving, taste the lemonade first if it needs any adjustment. If it's too sour, you can add a little more sugar. But if it's too sweet, just add a little more water. You can change the recipe to your liking. Now that your homemade lemonade is ready, pour them into glasses and serve. Wow, I think it's gonna be so delicious. You can garnish each glass with a lemon slice or this cute little umbrella for a fun and fresh look. It's a great drink to share with your family or friends on a hot afternoon. Okay, and that's how you make your delicious homemade lemonade. It's easy, refreshing, and perfect for any occasion. Plus, you can experiment with different flavors by adding berries or mint. Well, anyways, cheers! Wow, the lemonade is so delicious and refreshing. Okay, everyone, thank you for listening, and I hope you try making your own lemonade at home.